So here is our second example using the area model to solve for a division problem. If you notice, I've already drawn the boxes because that's going to be the first thing that I'm going to teach you to do, is to draw your 3 boxes. This way you can remember the steps that you need to take. So the first step is to write the problem into the correct box. And this problem is 483 divided by 15. So we now know that we come down to our second box, and the first step in our second box is 15. And we write 483 in the top half of the box. Now I know that 15 times 1 is 15. Remember, in this box we're going to be looking at how to get close to the first 2 numbers, the 48. So we're going to be trying to get close to 48. So 15 times 1 is 15. 15 times 2 is 30. 15 times 3 is 45. 45 is really close, but we just need to check. 15 times 4 is 60. So that's too big. So we know that 15 times 3 is our answer. So I'm going to put the 3 over the 8 and then use our magic placeholder 0. Now we're going to come down, and we just said 15 times 3 is 45. Then put our 0 there. Now we're ready to subtract 450 from 483. So I get 3 take away 0 is 3. 8 take away 5 is 3. So now we have finished our second box because we have an answer on the outside. We're going to take this answer and put it in the middle of our box. And put 15 on the outside. Now, remember, in this box we used the first 2 numbers. Well, in this box we're going to use the first 2 numbers again. So we know 15 times 1 is 15. 15 times 2 is 30. That's kind of close, but let's just keep going. 15 times 3 is 45, and that is too big. Just like in box 2, we're going to put the 3 after the first 2 numbers. So here I'm going to put the 2 like that. There's no number behind this 3, so we don't put a 0. So now we know 15 times 2 is 30. And now we subtract. 3 take away 0 is 3. 3 take away 3 is 0. So now that we have made it, we're ready to go to the last part of our rectangle. And we are going to add this number plus this number. So we're going to get 30 plus 2 equals 32. Our remainder is this number at the bottom. So we'll put 32, remainder 3.